Hi everyone, my name's Katie and this is Excel with Katie. Today I want to take you through a video on how to add a drop-down menu within your Excel spreadsheet. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a small data set here. You can see the names I've selected, and then what I want to do is in columns B2 through B6, I want to put a drop-down menu so that these people can only add specific fruits in here. So what I want to do is select these cells. I'm going to go to my Data tab within my top ribbon, and then I'm going to go over to Data Tools, and then I'm going to select Data Validation. When I click on this, a pop-up menu will pop up, and under Settings tab, you can go to Allow, and currently it's at any value, which means you can put any value as a text, a number, or even a special character. What I want to do is I want to create a list that someone can select from. So I'm going to select list, and then down here in the source type, I'm going to put the different types of fruits that I want someone to be able to select. So I'm going to put apple, and I'm going to separate each of these by a comma, which creates a different line in my drop-down menu. So apple, banana, strawberry, kiwi, and then let's say I forgot the comma. We're going to say watermelon berry. And this will present itself as one option in my drop-down menu rather than watermelon and berry. All right, so I have my list there that I want these people to choose from. I'm going to select OK. And then I can see that my drop-down has worked because there's now a little down arrow here, and I can select the option that I want. So apple, I can also come in here and type apple without any issues. And let's say Eve wanted to type grapefruit. It wasn't an option in our list. She's going to come in here, type it, hit enter, and then what she'll get is this value doesn't match the data validation restrictions defined from this cell. So it won't work. She can't put it in here. She has to either type or select from the drop-down menu one of those options. Perfect. So that concludes how to do data validation in a simple way. The next thing I want to do is show you how to tie it out to a list within a different sheet. So the first thing I need to do here is clear out these cells. So I'm just going to select them, go to my Home tab in my ribbon, go to Clear, and then Clear All. This means that everything's cleared out of it, the formatting, the text, the formulas, any conditional formatting or drop downs, all removed. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to type complete here. I want to make a simple drop down of like yes, no, or maybe for, let's say it's chores or homework, whatever it is. So I type complete, and then I'm going to go to sheet 2, and I'm going to put the options that I want to present themselves in the list. So we'll say yes, no, maybe. I'm going to go back to sheet 1, select the cells that I want that drop-down menu in, go to my Data tab in my ribbon, back to Data Tools and Data Validation, come back here again and select List, and then for my source, rather than typing, I'm going to select this little button over here with the arrow on the far right. Click on this, and another pop-up will open where you can go anywhere within your Excel spreadsheet and select a range of options. So I'm going to go back to sheet 2 where I already typed my options I want for this list, and I'm going to select the whole range. You can see that it auto-populates here. Hit enter on your keyboard. This will bring back up your pop-up box. You can see that it's populated here under source, and I'm going to hit OK. Now I can see that yes, no, maybe, these options all populated here. And let's say now I wanted to change my list. So let's say I wanted it to be 100% complete, or 90% complete, or 50% complete. Okay, so I changed my list. If I go back to my data validation and the options, these should now match, which they do. Perfect. 100, 90, 50. Great. Same thing for those. All right. So that concludes how to add a drop-down menu within your Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. Please like and subscribe to this video, and then comment below with any other formulas or anything else that you want to learn about Excel. I'd be happy to build that content for you. Thanks and have a great day.